Dell Incorporated is a multinational computer company which came from Round Rock, Texas, USA. They sell, repair, develop, and support computers and other tech products and services. Its name came from its founder itself, Michael Dell, and is now one of the biggest tech companies in the entire world with more than 100,000 employees. More specifically, Dell sells servers, PCs, network switches, data storage devices, software, HDTVs, printers, cameras, computer peripherals, and electronic components used by other companies. In this video, we will show you the evolution of Dell mobile phones from 2009 to 2011. 2009. Mini 3i. Mini 3iX. 2010. Aero was a popular smartphone known for its really light weight. Street. Venue. Flash. Smoke. XCD28. XCD35. Venue Pro was a smartphone running the Windows Phone operating system. 2011. Streak Pro D43. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to the channel.